I picked up this camera mounting set. It has like magnets and stuff in it, so you can use it with your GoPro or any other devices that use those same kind of mounts. So let's go ahead and take this out of the box and see what it comes with. So this is everything out of the box. You get this really cool adapter here to hold a phone, and it's got a tripod mounting point on two sides, so here and here, and it expands to let you put in, you know, different size phones and stuff. I like this a lot. I use this type of adapter when I video with my phone. Then you've also got this. This is the main reason I actually purchased this. It's a strong magnet with a ball swivel, like a tripod swivel up here on the top. And you can tighten it down to where this ball doesn't move, but it gives you all kinds of flexibility. This thing will twist with this, and you loosen and tighten it here, and then that also tightens the ball, and then this will tighten up on, you know, whatever camera you're using. But there's a really strong magnet here that will hold a good size camera. Very cool so far. And then this is like a cold shoe mount that I need for a case that I recently bought, so I can slide this kind of in the cold shoe, and then I can put like a mic or anything else that I want on here, and it just gives me that extra functionality. You could use that also with a tripod. Magnet is super strong on here. I mean, this is like one of those magnets that you would like stick on the side of your car if it's metal, and then you could put your GoPro, things like that. I mean, it's a very strong magnet that's on here. So I hope this information was helpful. Thank you very much for watching. Y'all take care.